let's plant our unwins carrot seeds. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and today we're going to be sowing our unwins carrot seeds. These are called resistor fly F1, which resist the carrot fly, which can damage crops. And these are actually on a seed tape, so they're perfectly spaced for when planting directly into the soil, and you shouldn't have to do much thinning. Now, if you've been watching my videos recently, we have built so many raised beds in this polytunnel. We're wanting to grow more and more stuff throughout the year, all year round, and hopefully earlier and later in the season because it'll be warmer in here. So we're going to start and try and grow some carrots. Now, I've never had any success with growing carrots in the 20 years that I've had my allotment. So this could be the year that I have successful carrots. If I get successful carrots, everything else can just go to pot. I just want some successful carrots. So there's approximately 4 meters of tape on here. So we're going to give this a try and get sowing these. So let's see how well we get on. So this is the raised bed that I'm going to do them in. It's quite deep, so hopefully we get some decent sized carrots. There's no black membrane underneath it, so if they need to get a bit further, they can do. But they'll probably fork if they hit the soil because it'll probably be hard and stony under there. But this is nice, good compost. So we're going to put like a little divot in it like that. And then we're going to put the seed tape in and then cover it back with soil. So that's what the seed tape looks like. It's like tissue paper, so it'll dissolve pretty easy once it gets watered in. And yeah, you can see the seeds in the paper. But yeah, we need to cover them over and then give them a good water. We need to label where they are as well, so we know where they're going to pop up once they start growing. But we're not doing them too deep. We're going to add a thin layer of soil over the top of them, and they should be perfect. So that's them all covered over. So the next big job is obviously to give them a nice good watering to get them growing, fingers crossed. We just obviously need it to warm up to help them germinate. We've put all the labels in where the rows are, so hopefully we know where they're all going to pop up and see how well they get on. So there we are, we're giving it a good watering. Obviously it'll need a good watering over the next few days, as obviously it's pretty dry underneath with the compost. But over the few weeks it'll get pretty wet, and hopefully the carrots will start growing within a couple of weeks. That's the plan, and then we'll be harvesting them pretty soon. They shouldn't take too long in the polytunnel once the heat starts to warm up in May, and we should get some good crops. Will this year be the first year for me to get carrots? We'll just have to wait and see. So make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with how well these carrots get on and see if we're harvesting them and get some great crops this year down at the plot. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.